Maintenance. Your new Flymo Robotic Lawnmower 1200R will give you a perfect lawn with a minimum of maintenance. However, for a long life and best possible cutting results, you need to clean it and regularly check the shape of the blades. Wear gloves when working with the razor-sharp cutting blades, and make sure the main switch is off. Use a dry brush. Never use water for cleaning. The 1200R works with 3 razor-sharp blades on a cutting disc. For healthier grass and excellent cutting results, the blades need to be sharp and therefore regularly changed, depending on the wear. Again, turn off the robotic lawnmower at the main switch and put on your gloves. The tool you need for this is a large screwdriver. Replacement blades come with new screws. Always change them as well. Place your robotic lawnmower on its back on a soft, clean spot. Hold the plate and unscrew the cutting blades. Clean the area under the blades. Use the new screws and attach the blades. Take care with the distance between the screws so that the blades can move freely.